All right guys, next we're gonna go through, we're gonna hit all the leather. So this is, like I said before, it's gonna clean the leather. It's also gonna condition it and provide a little bit of protection with it. So the trick to this, guys, now that we've cleaned everything up, I'm gonna spray this right on the towel just to eliminate any overspray. I'm gonna do my best to get in these crevices. I'll spray a pretty good amount of it on there. Now, as this stuff starts to sit into the leather, it's not gonna be this shiny the whole time. Just think of this really as lotion for your seats. So now what I'll do is I'll take the dry side, go through and just kind of buff this off. And with all of this upholstery right here being leather, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna apply some of this just to kind of condition this as well. As you guys can see, this stuff's kind of coming off. Same thing. Take my dry side, just kind of buff off some of that excess. We'll do the same thing for everything. All the leather, we're gonna just hit all the leather with this. Guys, you don't have to worry about too much about getting it on other pieces. The only thing that you don't wanna get this on is gonna be your windows. We'll go back through and we're gonna touch all this up on our final detail. But right now our main goal is just to condition this stuff, so.